Hi guys, this is Saurabh from blogsys.com. Today we are going to review a USB mini speaker from the Quantum QHM 602. These are the USB mini speaker which is usually useful for you when you are traveling, when you are going for outing and all. It is useful. You can connect with your mobile or any iPod, iPad and any other device with your auxiliary port. So today we are going to review and unbox this device. First of all, I want to show you how it looks like. Okay, so these are the two speakers. Just let me check. These are the two speakers by the Quantum mini USB speaker. You can see it's looking very perfectly and nice, and it's having one USB connector which you have to connect to your either with your power bank or your laptop, where there is a USB port available. If you are traveling, you can connect it to your car or any other accessories for getting a power supply to this device. And this is a headphone jack which you have to auxiliary headphone jack. You have to insert it to your either with your phone, iPhone, iPad, iPod or any other device, the Android device and something. These are the very small, compact and nice looking speakers by the Quantum, and it has a one volume controller at the back side to the one speaker, so that you can control the volume. A volume controller. It's the button is also very rigid, so you can control it very perfectly. Now we are going to check I'm going to connect this device with a power bank which I'm having. See, I'm just connecting, I'm giving a power supply to this device. Okay, now I'm going to connect this device with my cell phone. I'm going to connect it with my Sony Xperia Z3. Okay, so let's play some music. Okay, so I'm going to play the song from PK movie. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to play it. So as I kept the volume as a low, now I'm increasing. You can see. Okay, so guys, now what we are going to do, we are going to check this USB speaker with a different genre of music. We can go for the equalizer option. Here you will see the sound effect and quality when you are playing with a different genre, either from the pop, jazz and all. So let me show you. I'm just going to enable this music. We are going to start with this music. Okay, now let me on it. It is on the full one. So this is a quality of this USB mini speaker by Quantum, and it's pretty good in quality with respect to the sound and with respect to the jazz, and the bass volume also is very good. And if you want to purchase this speaker, you can go to the Quantum sites. You will find the USB mini speaker over there, and it's a very good and reasonable rate speakers available online. You can check it out. You will find a link for the you can find a link inside this video, and you can subscribe to our videos. And I hope you like this speaker and you will use it in your upcoming journey with your friends. Thank you guys. This is Saurabh from blockset.com, and thanks for paying attention with this USB speaker review. Good day.